Evening, we thank God for this day. Actually, we are saying something small about the keyboard. That's for the beginners. Okay, this is a piano keyboard, and this range is 60 keys. The full one is actually 88 keys, and it's very long type. And let me tell you one thing about music. Whenever I talk about music, we are talking about notes combined or arranged in certain order to be pleasant to the ear. A sound pleasant to the ear, but any sound that is unpleasant to the ear is termed to as noise. So whenever we come to music, there are a whole lot of musical instruments that let's say come to accompany music, but for our case here we are learning the piano keyboard. And when it comes to the piano keyboard, the demarcations are white and hot and black as well. Yes, the white represent the natural keys and the black represent the accidentals. Natural meaning that it is as it is, and also the blacks is the altered and other stuff too. So let me say, whenever we are talking about music too, we mean the use of alphabet like ABCD as we use for normal English languages. That's what we use in music too, ABCD. And in the ABCD, it tends to graduate and move to a certain height and eventually turn into the music itself. So let's say let's start to identify the notes on the piano keyboard. You see, there are groupings. There are two black here, 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 and three black sets. You see the three black sets. Yes, actually the keyboard is a repetition of the arrangement of what the notes. You see, there are two black notes arranged here, two black notes arranged here. We have three black notes, three. Yes, and it is our duty to use this black key sort to help guide us to know the natural keys to as well. So in the first note from the left side of the two black keys is C, and the first notes from the let's say the left side of the three black keys here is F. So you see, the musical note then starts with C, D, E, F, G, then A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Actually, it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G. But with the arrangement of the piano keyboard, they place C over here. So it's C, D, E, F, G, A. And it starts with A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yes. And there's something that we call sharp and something that we call flat. Anytime you start on the notes on the piano keyboard, you move to the right hand side, it means that you are sharpening it. You move to the left hand side, it is flat. So you come here, you can understand that the sound is going down, then it becomes heavier. But when you start going to the right side, you see it become high, the pitch becomes very high. It means that you are sharpening it. Yes, and also let's quickly identify the musical notes or the alphabet in the music language. So as I said earlier on, we are having A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yes, so this two black keys starts with C, this three black keys starts with hot F. So it's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Then it repeats again. So I said earlier on that when you are going to the right hand side, you are sharpening it. Coming to the left hand side, you are flattening. So if this is C, then this becomes C sharp. If this is D, then D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, and C. And also coming back like this to pick this one, B flat, A flat, G flat, or F sharp. This one too is the same as G sharp or A flat. This one is the same as what? A sharp or B flat. And it is like that. And among all these two, we have something that we call scale. That's the major scale. That is what we base on to what play the music that we normally hear in our ear. And this major scale too comes with what? A rule. Yes, it comes with a rule. And the rule is that we are going to learn intervals. The rule comes with intervals. So you see, there is something that we call in music whole step, half step. Whenever I talk about whole step, it means that you press a note and the next note you leave a note in between. So let's say if I press C, I'm going to D, I leave this one in between. It's a whole step. From D to E, I leave this one as well as a whole step. E to F sharp, I leave the F inside, that is what a whole step. But the situation whereby I play it simultaneously without leaving any note in between is a half step movement or the chromatic movement. Yes, so let's see something over here. Whenever you are playing the musical note, that's a solfa notation, do re mi fa sol la ti do. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 standing for do, 2 standing for re, and other stuff too. You use out rule, and the rule is that from mi to fa and also ti to do is a half step interval. The rest then becomes what whole step interval. Yes, so let's say if I'm to play the key C, play the notes, the solfa notation, it is do re whole step, re mi whole step, mi fa half step, fa so whole step, la so la whole step, la ti whole step, ti do half step. So that rule applies for all other keys. If I'm to go to play the solfa notation in the key of E, I will just use do re mi fa so la fa do re mi, sorry, mi fa so la ti do. Yes, and that is do re mi fa so la ti do. Yes, applying same concept in the key of what? F sharp. Do re mi fa so la ti do. So you should be able to what? Play all the do re mi fa so la ti do's in all the other 12 keys, because from here to here is 7 keys, and here to is 5 keys. So 5 plus 7 then becomes 12. That tells us that we should be able to play the solfa notation in all these 12 keys, and also be able to play in advanced mode to pertaining to this sort of solfa notations, and also chords and other stuff too in all the keys too as well. And as I said earlier on, this lessons will be covering all sections of what our play. Yes, it will cover all sections of our play. Yes, and we are going to also learn all songs, all kind of genre of songs in all the 12 keys to as well. So stay connected. That is what the lesson that we had today. Those people that were privy to come one-on-one, they went through this lesson, and those people that weren't available, I'm doing this for you. Yes, and I made mention of the fact that as you learn the do re mi fa sol la ti do, and you are able to apply the concepts of the half step and the whole step to play all the